This is South Central Traditional Kitchen, and today we're making honey sage venison sausage. First, take your ground venison and place it in a large mixing bowl. Make sure to wear gloves because it can get messy. Next, pour your honey or maple syrup into a measuring cup. We used maple syrup this time. Then goes the dried sage and ground mustard seed. After that, add salt, dried thyme, and minced garlic. Finally, pour in your apple cider vinegar. Whisk it all together and it's ready to go. Pour in the mixture and begin combining in the large bowl. Once it's properly mixed, divide into approximately 4-ounce patties. Heat the oil in your pan and begin frying. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the bottom side is brown and then flip. Once finished, place the patties on a plate and garnish with fresh sage from the garden. Lastly, enjoy!